funny. Like, funny that you weren't in the live break to say, hey man, I did pay.
Yeah.
Like you're coming back behind it. And if you would have seen the break, you wouldn't even care that you didn't pay. Unless you would look for that Dobbins.
Get the numbered card.
Sure.
What's up, guys? See some people jumping in. What was the guy's name from the last break? Huh?
JD? So you told me?
Who was asking about?
Oh no, I forgot the guy's name.
Was
I
it?
did tell him to jump in. Just give it a minute.
Yeah.
Hopefully he jumps in. We were a little late, so maybe that helped him. Patriots, Texans, Browns, and Bears.
Okay. All right, guys. So see some people jumping in. So we had was it 4 teams that did not sell tonight. So we'll offer them up for those that are in here. If anybody would like those. So those teams were the Patriots, Texans, Browns, and Bears. And we'll offer them up for $10 shipped if anybody wants to add them. We'll drop that in the comments section. All right, Michael.
Michael wants them?
Michael. Was Michael in the last break? Is that who it was?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Ask Michael if he has a team in this one.
Michael, what team do you have in this one?
Oh, he had teams in the basketball break.
Oh, yeah, teams in the basketball break? Okay.
That's good. He had,
Okay.
He had teams and hoops.
All right. Yeah. Yep. We'll do
That's
that.
fine.
No problem. So we'll drop the PayPal email or address in the chat, and then just send $10, and those 4 teams are yours, and then we'll ship them with your basketball cards. And once I get that typed in the chat here, then I'll do a quick roll call for everybody else. All right, so send $10 to that PayPal, and all right, so here's what we got for everybody else. Audrey Smith has the Rams. Brian Corbin has the Vikings. Christian Urban has the Ravens and Giants. Curtis Salo has the Packers. Eric Edwards has the Chargers and Dolphins. Gary T has the Bucks. Jay Shapiro has the 49ers and Raiders. Jesse S has the Colts. Jessica W has the Saints. Josh B has the Broncos, Chiefs, Steelers, and Titans. Khalil D has the Cowboys. Kenny Collins has the Cardinals, Falcons, Panthers, Lions, Jaguars. Matthew Simpson has the Bills. Michael Perkins has the Seahawks. Richard B has the Jets. Roland has the Bengals, Eagles, and Redskins. And Michael has just picked up the remaining 4 teams, the Patriots, Texans, Browns, and Bears. All right, so what we have tonight is a Prizm break. So we've got 3 of the cello packs with the red, white, and blue prisms. 2 of the blasters, and these blasters have, let's see, both have the laser prisms. And then we have the Walmart Mega Box with the 40 cards, and hopefully we'll find an autograph in there. And I believe that has the neon green pulsar prisms that are in there, and I believe there's a pink rookie in there, I believe. So we'll start with the cello packs, and then we'll go with the blasters, and then we'll finish out with the Mega Box. So good luck, everyone. Yes, it is Jason, the PayPal. Yep. All right. All right. First pack. All right. Xavier Howard, Dolphins. Cameron Hayward, Steelers. Jamison Crowder, Jets. Ryan Tannehill, Titans. Justin Simmons, Broncos. Saquon Barkley, Giants. Jason Pierre-Paul, the Bucks. Oh, a card stuck behind it. Anthony Harris, Vikings. Shaq Thompson, the Panthers. And we've got a rookie, green, behind that, and it's going to the Patriots. Kyle Duggar, green prism. Something on it. We'll get that cleaned off. And we've got a OBJ, go hard or go home, prism to the Browns. And our rookie is Jermichael Hasty for the 49ers. All right, get this green prism sleeved up here. Okay. All right, first pack of red, white, and blue. Ocho Cinco, Chad Johnson to the Bengals. Keelan Doss, Raiders. And nice hit here for the Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, red, white, and blue. So nice hit there for the Chiefs. Get that bad boy sleeved up. It's always nice to start with a non-combine rookie. All right. These prisms over here. Okay. All right. Cello pack number 2. All right. Marlon Mack, the Colts. Justin Tucker, Ravens. Devin Singletary, Landon Collins. Hunter Henry, Chargers. Danny Amendola, the Brian Bosworth to the Seahawks. Ronald Jones, Kirk Cousins to the Vikings. And we've got a silver. Let's see, is it a rookie? Oh, it is a rookie. All right. So we got a silver rookie. And, man, going to the Patriots. Josh Uche. Going to the Patriots. Can't have a break without this guy being in there. So Josh Uche going to the Patriots. We got a Kyler Murray fireworks behind that. And let's see, trying to figure out, okay. And our rookie behind that is Julian Okora to the Detroit Lions. Rookie out of Notre Dame. Okay. Let's get the silver sleeve here. So the Patriots, so was that one of the 4 teams that Michael just picked up?
Yes, I think so.
That's nice. So he's got a green prism rookie and a silver prism rookie so far. 2 packs in. All right. Our red, white, and blues. Eddie Jackson to the Bears. Ian Thomas, Panthers. And our rookie is Antonio Gandy Golden to, I guess, the football team, not the Redskins anymore. What else? All right. Cello pack number 3. Kid reporter card on the back. All right. Mark Brunell, Jags. Jarvis Landry, Kyle Van Noy, Cortland Sutton, Hunter Renfrow, Khalil Mack, K'Wan Short, Bobby Wagner, Mike Evans, and we've got a green unstoppable, Danielle Hunter, the Vikings. I think it's the first time I've seen that card. It's a green Prizm. Nice hit there for the Vikes. Right behind that, we get a Kyler Murray hype. And rookie for the Jaguars, Clavon Chason. The Jags. So, a couple Kyler Murray inserts so far. That is a cool unstoppable card. I don't know if have you seen these before?
Not the Prizm.
Not the Prizm?
Yeah, that's a green Prizm. That's
Yeah.
regular.
All right. Bonus pack. Red, white, and blue. Got a Minka Fitzpatrick, the Steelers. David Montgomery. And Zach Bond, rookie Saints. So a little lackluster there to start. Prizms. To get the Clyde. So hopefully the blasters will bring us some bigger names. Bigger names of who everybody's looking for. Nice to hit a couple of the big quarterbacks. All right. Empty box. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Pack number 1. Good luck, everyone. Got a Big Ben, Steelers. N'Keal Harry, Patriots. Todd Gurley. And our first laser Prizm is Ronald Jones going to the Bucks. Okay. Pack number 2, Hunter Renfrow. Nick Bosa, 49ers. Here we go, Michael Pittman Jr., rookie, Colts. And we got a rookie behind that, Zach Moss, laser, going to the Bills. So, there we go. There's a couple good-looking rookies there. Michael Pittman, Colts. Looked good in that playoff game. Curious to know who's going to be throwing to him next year, now that Phillip Rivers has retired. Maybe it'd be Zach Eason or Jacob Eason. His brother Zach.
You know, bring Zach in.
Brings
Competition.
I'm sitting here looking at Zach Moss's card.
Oh, dude.
All right. Okay. There we go. All right. Getting there. Pack number 3. J.J. Watt of the Texans. Could be soon to be formerly of the Texans. Lamar Jackson, base for the Ravens. Oh, we got a silver. And Demario Davis to the Saints. Silver Prizm. And we got a Roquan Smith, unstoppable, right behind that. All right, insert pile. So Demario Davis, silver Prizm. Nice looking card there. Okay. D.D. Westbrook, Drew Brees, base, DJ Dallas, rookie, Seahawks, and Mark Brunell, laser prism. Okay. 2 packs to go in blaster number 1. Sam Hubbard, Bengals. Brandon Cooks. What we got here? Wow, look at that. So that's a blue prism. Jalen Hurts to the Eagles. That's a nice hit right there.
I wonder where their dark blue prisms came from.
And then right behind that, to further heat things up, we got a CD Lamb laser prism.
Wow.
So congrats to the NFC East, to the Eagles and the Cowboys. That is a nice looking Hurts right there. Nice and centered. Get that sleeved up. We'll get the CD Lamb sleeved up.
I don't know that I've ever seen the blue.
Yeah. Sweet looking. Get those sleeved up. Get those on the board. All right. Jordan Jenkins, Jets. TJ Hawkinson. And Jared Pinkney, rookie to the Falcons. And Evan Ingram. Laser Prism. Giants. All right. All right, Clyde. Gotta move.
Rolled up for you right there.
That's a sweet looking Hurts right there. Whew. All right.
It's
Looking better. Blaster box number 2. Hopefully we'll find another blue prism. Keep it rolling. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Okay. Oh, looks like we got a mem card. Marlon Mack. Justin Tucker. Get a Jared Goff, formerly of the Rams, laser prism. And we've got a Jerry Jeudy premiere. Nice orange patch that pops off there. So congrats to the Broncos. Jerry Jeudy. A.J. Brown, Titans. DK Metcalf. Bradley Anae, rookie card to the Cowboys. And right behind that, Josiah DeGora.
Can't break without him either.
Laser to the Packers. What round was my man drafted in? I need to know.
15.
Maybe they learned their lesson after having no like George Kittle rookie cards that they're going to put the tight end.
They're really regretting that. You're the only guy that's upset about that.
I am. George Kittle only has like 7 rookie cards.
Good, that means you can get them all.
Yeah. Devin Singletary, Austin Hooper. I got a silver prism, and it's a rookie. Are you kidding me?
No.
I believe. Hold on.
Uchi.
So Josh
Uchi.
Uchi, 2 silver prisms going to the Patriots. What a waste.
It's kind of rude, ain't it?
Fireworks, Russell Wilson.
Hey, maybe, let's see, a D-back? Oh, he's at the end. All right. Maybe he turns into
He's the next Richard Seymour for the Patriots.
Yeah.
Bill Belichick. Well, congrats, Michael.
I don't know what to tell you, bud.
What number break is this, Hector or Helder? It is, what number is this? 250,
257.
257.
I'm way behind on the comments on my video.
Paris Campbell, Cameron Jordan. We got an Anthony McFarland rookie card to the Steelers. And, oh, man, Sam Hubbard. Always a tease.
Old
The
man
Bengals.
Hubbard.
Going to the Bengals. Laser Prizm to the Bengals. All right. 2 packs to go before we crack into that mega box back there, which I'm sure is bound to contain a Josh Uche rookie auto. We're just going to get the rainbow tonight. Mark Andrews, Miles Jack, Alan Lazard, and here we go. The Bucks, Keyshawn Vaughn, Laser Prizm. I said there for the Bucks, and then last pack of the blaster.
I pulled 2 last night. It was 2 Antoine Winfield Jr. lasers.
Oh, okay.
And a base in the same break.
Baker Mayfield, Kyler base. Uh-oh. Oh, Grant Delpit. Saw the orange. Getting excited. Rookie, the Browns. And right behind that, Cortland Sutton, Laser Prizm.
I'll take it, Kyler.
Kyler.
So I'm sleep.
Might as well just sleep. You know, to do that, you might as well sleep Baker.
I'll do that. I don't hate on him, man.
Just,
If you got the Browns, man, you're happy to see Baker.
I know. He woke up feeling dangerous.
Yeah, he did.
All right.
Gotta stop making fun of players, man.
What?
You gotta stop making fun of players.
Really, like...
You okay there, buddy?
Well, the thing is, like, pushed all the way down in there, which I'm sure is great. All right, empty box. We should have 10 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Good luck, everyone.
Hoochie Wally, you read my mind.
Bryce Love. The Juice, Kyle Juszczyk. There we go. Got a Fireworks, George Kittle, 49ers. The People's tight end. And Justin Jefferson, base rookie.
That's cool.
Going to the Vikings. So congrats to the Vikes. All right, Jamison Crowder. Let me see. Felt something on the back there. Jamison Crowder, Amari Cooper, Dalvin Cook, and Javon Kinlaw, rookie for the 49ers. Yeah, is there anything else?
Yeah,
Going
put
there?
this up for Zach Moss.
Zach Moss. All right. Get the Judy patch up there. All right. Okay. Marlon Mack. Rashawn Evans. Oh, missed the silver. Joey Bosa going to the Chargers. And right behind that, we've got a Jason Huntley going to the Lions. So nice to not get Josh Uche silver Prizm. We did get to mix it up.
We should have got Dalton King.
Dalton King.
That would have been good.
And she said that it'll probably show up in this pack. Dalvin Tomlinson. Jared Goff. We've got a green Pulsar. And that's AJ Green. Going to the Bengals. And right behind that, we've got an Antonio Gibson.
Nice.
Going to the football team. So congrats to the team formerly known as the Redskins.
Congrats, football team.
Justin Tucker, Mecole Hardman, Keith Brooking, and Raekwon Davis, rookie card to the Dolphins. Seen a lot of him tonight. He was our auto earlier in our playbook break. Raekwon. All right, so we got 5 packs to go.
Raekwon the chef.
Devin Singletary, Keelan Doss, Jared Cook, and James Morgan, rookie, going to the Jets. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the combine cards either, especially when you have the late release date on a product like this. I get it with the Donruss and stuff like that when it's one of the first products out, but by the time Prizm rolls out in November or December, I think it was, there's plenty of time to update the pictures on some of these guys. So I'm with you there, Lee. All right. Eddie Jackson, Devontae Adams. Oh, wow. Look at that. Tom Brady green Pulsar Prizm. Nice hit for the Bucks. Nice. And then right behind that, we've got a Jerry Jeudy base rookie.
Nice.
So Broncos, that goes with your patch, but that is a nice Tom Brady. Congrats to whoever had the Bucks.
That is a cool card.
Yes, sir.
It's shimmering. Or is it pulsing? I guess it's pulsing.
All right. 3 packs to go. Well, looks like we're going to have our auto in this one, so.
You got to take Judy or Clyde off.
Tough. Get Clyde off. Come back to that pack there. Who do we have for the 49ers?
We mean who has them?
Yeah. Austin Hooper, Brian Dawkins, Anthony Barr, and then a base Clyde Edwards-Helaire going to the Chiefs to go with that red, white, and blue. Nice little mega box here.
Jay Shapiro for the Niners and the Raiders is what I have.
For the Niners and Raiders, we have Jay Shapiro. All right.
I'll double check though.
Paris Campbell, Colts. Tyrell the Gazelle, Raiders. Baker Mayfield, Hype. And another Antonio Gandy Golden for the football team. The Hype card over here. All right, last pack. So we've got Blake Jarwin, Larry Fitz, Anthony Jennings is our rookie. And to the Texans, Isaiah Coulter is our auto. So congrats to the Texans. I think that's one of the teams that was picked up as well. All right. Get that sleeved up. I know when they're running at 40, the worst is when they put the lineman on there running the 40-yard dash.
I don't know if we ever told Michael, but I did get his money for the extra team.
Yeah, okay. All right, so we'll do a quick recap here. We're looking at the 49ers.
You might have had a different. I'll check.
All right, so while we're checking that, I'll do a quick recap here. Let's see. All right, so we had a silver Joey Bosa, a silver Demario Davis, Daniel Hunter, green Prizm Unstoppable. We had the Antonio Gandy Golden, red, white, and blue. And we had the 2 Josh Uche silver Prizms. And Kyle Duggar, green Prizm. Let's go through some of our rooks here. Some of the rookies that we pulled. Antonio Gandy Golden, Raekwon Davis, Jason Huntley, Javon Kinlaw, Zach Bond, red, white, and blue. Anthony McFarland, Grant Delpit, DJ Dallas, Jared Pinkney, Jermichael Hasty, Julian Okora, Clavon Chasen, James Morgan, and then we had the Zach Moss Laser Prizm, Keyshawn Vaughn, excuse me, Michael Pittman Colts, and Antonio Gibson base rookie. All right.
Elder Valoroso is who we had for the Niners.
Okay, so the 49ers was a mistake. So, Helder, you did have the 49ers this break.
Glad he said something.
So, thank you for bringing that to our attention. Appreciate that. We had AJ Green, green Pulsar Prizm, George Kittle Fireworks, Kyler Murray base, Baker Mayfield. We had a Russell Wilson, Fireworks. And then we had a couple Kyler Murray inserts, the Hype and the Fireworks. And we had this Roquan Smith Unstoppable. And pulled there at the end, the Baker Mayfield Hype. Yeah, thanks, Hector. Sorry about that. And then some of our bigger hits of the night. Let's see. All right, so we had this auto, Isaiah Coulter. So it's always nice to get an auto and no points card. We had Jerry Jeudy. We got this patch card to go with his base rookie. So congrats to the Broncos. Clyde Edwards-Helaire got his base rookie to go with this red, white, and blue. So congrats to the Chiefs. Vikings, we had this sweet little Justin Jefferson, nicely centered rookie. So congrats to the Vikings. Cowboys, we had the CeeDee Lamb, Laser Prizm, also nicely centered. So congrats to the Cowboys. Jalen Hurts, blue Prizm. So we've done a lot of Prizm breaks, and I think this is the first blue that we pulled, and came out of a blaster box. So kind of cool. This looks like it might slightly be off center, but nice hit nonetheless to the Eagles. So congrats to the Eagles. To the Bucks, our big hit, this Tom Brady green Pulsar Prizm, and that thing is centered nice. So congrats to the Bucks. All right, so let's see. Did I go through those? Yeah. Okay. All right, so that'll wrap it up for this break. We'll be back in about 10 minutes for the Mosaic break. Make sure that you guys like and follow us on Facebook. That way you can stay up to date on when we do break. I hope you had fun and enjoyed this break. So we'll get these cards shipped out hopefully Saturday. And we'll get these out to you. And like I said, make sure you like and follow us on Facebook. That way you can stay up to date. We only update the day of, just to send out a reminder that we're breaking. So we don't put stuff on there every day. We don't try to sell cards on there. So be sure to like us and follow us. And hope you had fun. Thank you.